Hello everyone, this is Saloni and in today's video we will be exploring Shimla, which is the capital of the northern Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. It is also known as the capital of winter sports of India. It is a very popular tourist destination with many tourist points that attract tourists all over the world. Green Valley is truly one of the most famous Shimla tourist places to visit. Green Valley is also a shooting point in various Bollywood films. Noted for its elite beauty, Green Valley has been mentioned in a number of articles and travel books. The Indian Institute of Advanced Study is a research institute based in Shimla. It is also a post-PhD institute as well. It was built by Henry Irvine in the late 80s. The Indian Institute of Advanced Study is truly an architectural masterpiece in Shimla and is a very beautiful place to visit. The Indian Institute of Advanced Study in Shimla was once the summer home of the Viceroy of India at that time, and it is a must-visit place when you go to Shimla. It is really very beautiful. The Himalayan Bird Park is truly one of the most loved tourist places in Shimla. If you are a nature lover, do visit this place. It is a good spot to visit during your winter vacations. The Himalayan Bird Park is a home to many rare and exotic bird species, including but not only limited to peacock peahens and the Himalayan monarchs. It is a must-visit place when you go to Shimla. Johnny's Wax Museum, popularly known as Himachal Pradesh's first wax museum, Johnny's Wax Museum ranks highly in the list of Shimla's tourist places. In this wax museum, there are replicas of many notable movie stars and important personalities of India. Christchurch. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Shimla. It has a very beautiful architecture built during the British era. It also comes under the top 10 lists of places to visit Shimla, and this place is worth giving a try. This monument is perfect for the people who want to get a taste of religious Christianity from the colonial time. The Chadwick Waterfall is one of the most striking Shimla tourist places to visit. To see the waterfalls at its fullest, it is the best to visit here in monsoons. Do give this place a visit when you go to Shimla. Shimla is a very popular tourist destination in India with many tourist spots. I highly recommend everyone to visit Shimla once. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe Plan Trips.